Hello and welcome to the course. My name is Srini and I'm your instructor for this course. Well, this course will show you 12 steps using which you can learn how to build website with WordPress. I have designed this course by capturing all the steps that I took from purchasing the domain, purchasing the hosting plan, installing and configuring them till the final website is built and ready. So you can get to see the actual steps that I took to build a solid WordPress website from scratch. Let me show you the steps I took, and same steps you will learn in this course in more detail. First, you will learn about what is a domain name, why you need to buy a domain name, and from where you can buy a domain name. Then step 1, you will learn to register and purchase a domain name from a reputed domain name provider. Second, I will show you what is a hosting plan means and what are the types of hosting plan available and from where you can buy them. Step 2, you will learn how to register with hosting provider. Step 3, we will map our domain name with web hosting. Step 4, I will show you how to log in into WordPress from hosting dashboard. Step 5, you will learn to log in and log out from WordPress. Step 6, I will show you the best way to organize your new site, which you can apply these steps for all your future websites. Step 7, install and configure themes. You will learn to delete the theme, upload a custom theme like Genesis and child themes. Step 8, install and configure important plugins. In this step, I'll show you my best plugins that will actually speed up your site. Step 9, sample pages, contact and about. You will learn to work with contact and about pages, and I'll show a simple and easy way to create a contact page. Step 10, create categories, post and navigation menu. Here we will build categories, post and navigation menus, and we will build some post and attach it to the categories. Step 11, we will configure layout and widgets. You will learn to handle the site layout and add new widgets to your site. Step 12, secure your site. In the final step, I'll show you which security plugin will help you to safeguard your site from malicious attacks. You can also find many exercises, downloads for each sections, and also ebook that has all the steps showing the illustration which can help you for your future references. It is a step-by-step approach in understanding how to build a website with WordPress. I happily welcome you to take the course. Check out the free lectures to see if this course help you in your learning journey. Have a great day and bye for now.